Today we'll talk about how can you find tendons on your hang up. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find this list. So all you have to do, you just click in this sign down here, and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to standouts here, so then here can you swipe like this. If you like here any of this person, just click on it like this here, then it's going to show for you here in this list like you see. So in here you will find all here information about this person here. That's all. I wish you I get it. So to find this here, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you.